Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. Sorry for the delay. I haven't put any video for quite some time because I was a little bit busy with family and work. Let's move toward today's topic. Today's topic is how to use advanced filters in Dynamics 365 FinOps. So there are a couple of filters available in Dynamics. I'm hoping that most of you are already aware of a few of them, which is one of the common one is like filtering something special. This one you all guys already know about it. You also might know about the is not in filter as well. Like if you want to do not include something in your search, you can use the exclamation mark and then type the thing which you do not want to include. I will give you some examples. In today's session, we will discuss these seven of the common filters and we will apply them using the advanced filter option available on most of the dynamics forms. Okay, so as I said, these are the one which we gonna demonstrate today in the video, but you can find the list of available filters in this link. Okay, so let's start with the simple one. Let's go to accounts receivable and then go to invoices and then click on open customer invoices. If I want to search something specifically and I don't remember the whole invoice number, but I have a remember of like I remember last two digits. So if I want to search, I can search that. There is two way of doing it. You can either click over here and use the filter called contain, and let's just say type 93 here. It will search for that specific number in this field. Another way of doing it, you can type here asterisk 93 and then asterisk again and tell the system to search in the text invoice field. It will do the same thing. Similarly, if you want to create filters and if you want to use advanced filters, you click on here and you can search you can search it here as well. I go and change this to text invoice and type asterisk 93 here. It has done the same thing. Similarly, if I want to, I think, find something in range, I can do that as well. But let's do step by step. So this is how you do the specific search. Similarly, if I clear this from here, clear. If I do not want to include something, I can use again two ways. I can use this filter called is not, okay, and if you type the name here, for example, it will not bring this person invoices here. Okay, if you click on advanced filters and change this to customer account, for example, and type exclamation mark and type the code of the customer account and press OK, that will create a filter here and it will not include the number we have typed. Okay, similarly again you can use this thing called is not and it will work. Okay, so let's clear this out. So let's reset it for my business. Okay, so if I want to find invoices which are like greater than or less than of certain value, I can do that as well. As you can see, I cannot put a filter here. See, so in this case, the best way to go is advanced filters, and over here search for the value thing called amount, and let's just say bring show me value of invoices which are more than 10,000. Yep, 10,000, and press OK. Look, systems automatically filter it for you, and now you can extract that information or save views if you want. You can export those invoices. Similarly, if I want something in between or less than, sorry, so let's use the example first, less than. You can type this and press OK. It will show you which are less than 10,000. And if you are interested in a range of an amount, you can always go to advanced filter and tell the system that I am interested only from starting from 1000, put two dots here, ending on 5000. So now you're putting a range in the amount field and press OK. Now you will only see invoices which are within that range. Okay. Okay, so let's learn some interesting ones. Like for example, if I want to see what is due for a given period of time, I think most of the people use this thing called in between. And if I want to see what is due for the last 30 days, I have to figure out the dates, sorry. So the best way of doing it is you go to advanced filter option again here, add your due date field, and let's just say this day range, and that put, for example, if you want to go to the last 30 days, say minus 30 days, and put 0 here, which shows that 0 is today, and then close the bracket. If I run this query, definitely it's not going to show me anything because this is Contoso data. See, so I won't get anything from here with this query. So I have to use something more than 30 days, let's say 1000. And if I press OK here, there you go, it's going to show me the last 1000 days old invoice sitting there. This is Contoso data, that's why it's being like we have to do this, or else last 30 days would have pull up the data easily. And then again, you can extract the data, create your new filters, whatever you want. Similarly, if you want to go to future, then you will obviously change this query to future. Okay, simple. And if you want to go for tomorrow, I think that is like this one, and then close the bracket. Similarly, if you want to go to yesterday, say -1. And if you want to go for a range, you have to type day range and then give the range like minus, let's say minus 7,000. For example, comma 00 means that today. So it's looking back 7,000 days, just for example. And if you press OK, it's gonna show me the all the invoices which were due. Okay, that's the easy way of doing it. Okay, so the last one, which is we use basically question mark if we do not know the character of that particular search. We just put question mark like this one I'm talking about. As this says that if you're trying to find Smith but you do not remember whether the Smith was with I or with Y, you just put question mark here and system will bring both of these values. So how do we do that? So let's use this customer account column. As you can see, you have many numbers here, or you can apply it on FT as on this text invoice as well. But for the sake of my demonstration, I'm going to use this column. I can go to advanced filter again and add my customer account here, and then say like I know it was US dash, but I don't remember. Like I don't remember 0, but I didn't do not remember the middle character. Okay, so I'm gonna just say question mark and 6. This will bring automatically these customer invoices. Similarly, if I click here and I did not remember, for example, the first two letters, the prefix which we called, I can just leave it like this and say OK, and it will give you the similar result. Okay, so that's it. That's it from my side. Please share and like the video and let me know your feedback. Thank you very much for your time. Cheers. Bye.